Little bird Windy loved the feeling of the breeze ruffling little bird Windy's feathers. Windy wished Windy could play with the wind, not just be carried by it. Busy Badger Bramble was tidying up Bramble's burrow entrance nearby. Bramble saw Windy hopping excitedly as a gust of wind blew by. Bramble smiled a gentle badger smile. Bramble asked Windy what made Windy so happy. Windy chirped about the wonderful wind and wishing to play with it. Bramble had a square piece of colorful paper. Bramble said they could make a paper pinwheel. A paper pinwheel could catch the wind and spin merrily, Bramble explained with a nod of Bramble's head. Windy bounced up and down, eager to learn. How could paper catch the wind? Bramble showed Windy the square paper. First, fold the square paper diagonally in half, then unfold, then fold diagonally the other way, then unfold again, Bramble instructed clearly. This made creases crossing in the very center point. Now, cut along the 4 diagonal creases, starting from the corner and stopping about halfway towards the center point, Bramble guided. Cut 4 slits, 1 from each corner. Windy watched carefully. Now, bring 1 point of each cut section towards the center, Bramble showed. Bring every other point to the center. So, you will bring 4 points to the center. Use a little dab of soft sap to hold the points in the center, Bramble suggested. Windy helped gently press the points down in the middle. Now, we need a stick, Bramble said. Bramble found a straight, thin twig. Gently push the twig through the center where the points meet, Bramble demonstrated. Be careful not to push too hard. And there it was. A colorful paper pinwheel. It had 4 blades ready to catch the wind. Windy held the twig gently in little bird Windy's beak. Windy lifted the paper pinwheel up. A little breeze came by. Whirl, whirl, whirl. The paper pinwheel spun around and around. Windy tilted little bird Windy's head, fascinated. It was catching the wind and playing. Windy flew to a slightly higher branch, holding the paper pinwheel. The wind blew a little stronger there. Whirl, whirl. The paper pinwheel spun faster. Windy chirped with pure delight. Windy flew here and there, letting the wind spin the paper pinwheel. It was like dancing with the wind. Making the paper pinwheel felt like capturing the wind's energy in paper. Learning a simple craft with Bramble was fun. And having a way to play with the wind brought so much happiness. The paper pinwheel spun, a joyful dance with the breeze. Maybe you can try folding a paper pinwheel too. Imagine the wind making it spin as you fold. Close your eyes now, and perhaps you can dream of gentle breezes and colorful spinning pinwheels. Sweet dreams, little one, and remember that simple creations can bring so much joy and help you play with the world around you. If you liked this story, please give us a like and subscribe for more gentle adventures. Tell us in the comments what your favorite kind of wind is.